Holy. Wow, that's very thick. That's very thick bush right there. I think we're now doing a bit of an incline here, guys. I'm starting to feel it a little bit. But yeah, surprisingly, yeah, not too many people taking a walk here, you know. But I guess when you live in this sort of fresh country like that, you know, you're probably always out in the yard. Look at that guy's yard. I mean, he's got to be out there quite a bit. You know, maybe winter time, yeah, the time to kind of rest up a little bit. There we go, some cornfields, ex-cornfield here. It's already been harvested. Who knows what this was? Already fresh grass growing. Maybe that's going to be the feed field for their cows and stuff, if they have any. Wow, so we are kind of hitting farm country now, guys. See, all that's open there. No more forests. I gotta look in the map because, yeah, at some portion of this ride today, yeah, we're gonna go through like the major foresty part, away from, you know, near the river. But then as we're getting away from the river a little bit. Yeah, we're starting to hit this open country farmland here. Yeah, and I feel a little wind behind me, which is right about nice right about now. Look at these beautiful homes here, guys. Wow. These country homes got, wow, like 5,000-6,000 probably square feet in them or more. Alright, 2 more miles of this trail, guys, and we're gonna have to make a turn onto something called Jerusalem Road. But look, it seems it's all a decline from here to down there. I see somebody in a pink in a pink jacket walking their dogs. Oh. Well, maybe red. Hiya. Yeah. Oh. Farm country here. Some beautiful homes there. Oh. Hey guys, $30 miles in so far today. Yeah, just about. Yeah. All right. With the Lake of Hills, a little bit better.